This is Chris Whalen, CPA, and welcome to the Street Level Business Podcast. My CPA firm specializes in business and individual income taxes. If you would rather read this podcast, there is a link to the text version below this video. If you find this podcast informative, please take a moment to like and share it. Do you have any tax or accounting questions right now? Pause the podcast and call me on 732-673-0510. Today's topic is employers. Verified job applicants are not using artificial intelligence to create their resumes or cover letters. Over the past 37 years, I've reviewed tens of thousands of resumes and cover letters. I've been noticing some anomalies on cover letters and within resumes the past couple of months. It seems that people are getting a little too much assistance with them. Of course, I'm talking about artificial intelligence and employment consultants. Employment consultants, depending on the extent of their engagement, are also a form of artificial intelligence, as it is not the job applicant's intelligence being used to create cover letters and resumes. Before I discuss that, it is important to draw clear distinctions between using artificial intelligence and traditional physical and electronic technology. Simply put, artificial intelligence provides a work product without any creative or intellectual input from a human being. This, to me, is a form of plagiarism. This is the main difference between using artificial intelligence and doing your own research to enhance your own skills to be used in a work product you create. With AI, there is no learning at all. A request is made with specific parameters and the AI produces a completed item. Resume writing consultants are also artificial intelligence for purposes of this podcast. Research involves learning and enhancing your knowledge and ability to create your own output. It is very important to understand that distinction. It is not plagiarism to look up resume and cover letter examples to get ideas to enhance your own. That human learning component is lost when you use artificial intelligence. AI degrades intellectual and creative human performance and stifles or completely eliminates learning. Humans using all the tools at our disposal is wise, including both electronic and physical sources. It is not cheating or plagiarism if you take that learning to create something such as a resume or a cover letter or an essay or a story. It's when you eliminate the research and learning process that you have entered the realm of artificial intelligence or another intelligence beside your own doing the creating. With artificial intelligence, we are just simply consumers of products. This gives everyone a clear dividing line where healthy research and learning end and plagiarism and laziness begin. We need to hire people with the ability to think on their own without needing the crutch of another person's or artificial intelligence. Most of you have heard about ChatGPT. If not, I would take a moment and look it up and see how powerful this AI engine is. People are using ChatGPT to create websites, stories, poetry, and songs. And of course, people are using this AI engine to assist them with cover letters and resumes. To me, this is outright deception on the part of a job applicant. We must be vigilant to be on the lookout for this and to make sure applicants verify whether they've used AI to enhance or create the cover letters and resumes that they provided us. Job applicants should be able to create their own cover letters and resumes. Communication skills are incredibly important. If somebody is relying on artificial intelligence or consulting firms to communicate, then this is most likely somebody we do not want to hire. From the start, we need to get a true measure of someone's writing and communication skills, especially if this person is going to be dealing directly with our clients. They will not have AI or a resume consultant to lean on when they're representing your company. I'm suggesting that all employers and human resource professionals verify this from the first contact with an applicant. If you are an employer and have an employment application, I would add this specific question near the top. Business owners, do you have a clear policy disallowing the use of artificial intelligence programs by your staff, especially as it relates to work to be provided to clients? You must be vigilant about your employees using AI such as ChatGPT instead of producing work on their own. This could lead to a public relations nightmare and a diminishment of your brand that may not be retrievable. This brings us to the end of this edition of the Street Level Business Podcast. Questions, concerns? Call me on 732 673-0510. Thanks for listening. I hope you found this podcast informative. If you want to become a subscriber to my podcast and memos, please send an email to chriswhalencpa@gmail.com and I will add you. Remember, the moment you have a business or tax question is the moment you should be calling me. Have a great day.